Hey everyone, welcome to day 11 of my windsurf learning journey. So today I wasn't even planning to windsurf, my body was really asking for a break. I've been doing windsurfing and tennis pretty much every day and I was just wiped out. But then I received a notification from my wind app. It's saying there's 19 knots of wind right now, so I couldn't ignore it. And especially since I started windsurfing, we don't really get that strong winds in Istanbul, so I didn't want to miss it, and I hopped on my bike, just went to the surf spots directly. Now, last time I tried a big sail and a strong wind. It was really hard. I think it was a 4.5-meter sail and a 15 or 16 knots of wind. I didn't had any fun. I was really wrestling with the sail to control it, to keep it up. Then every time it falls back, it was really hard for me to pick it up because I also don't have the harness. Anyway, and I was also really tired that day. I didn't, let's say, come with the big energy, so I said let's go with a smaller sail, work on everything I know, and let's not challenge my body further. So when the wind hit, it was also really tough to, let's say, holding the sail. I could have managed to do it with a 4-meter sail, but in a normal day, not on a tired day. So, but it was fun, more or less. And I think at some point someone broke their mast, and they said that in the open sea, in more deep, the wind got up to 25 or 30 knots, I don't know. And someone broke their mast, and they collected everyone to bring everyone more near to the shore. So I think that's the part where the fun ends. I really speed up that process because there was other people on the boat. I will also blur the scene because I didn't ask them if I could record them. And the only thing I would like to say about this session is I really tried to come back towards the shore. Because I think I went around like 3.5 kilometers away from my starting point. So that was coming back was a challenge. If they didn't pick me back with the boat, I think I would spend at least an hour trying to come back because the wind was changing direction too many times and I was really having problems with it. Anyway, I think it was a really nice ride, and despite everything, I really enjoyed the session. I felt the wind and the struggle and everything, and during trying it, I really would like to change to a Insta360 cam to show you everything, but let's say it's in the future. I still don't have the budget for it, but I will do in the near future, I hope. Anyway, that was day 11. Wild wind, tired body, but another step forward. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the others. spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.